Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you my homemade sensor contraption on a board. So, first of all, we have digital temperature and humidity. We have a Hall sensor, we have an analog Hall sensor, we have another digital temperature, and then we have a gyroscope and accelerometer on here, and then also an Arduino Nano. Then I have soldered this all onto a single perf board. The method of construction wasn't the best, but easiest to think about. So here, I'm just using the serial monitor on the Arduino itself to log temperature. So I've got the temperature and humidity, and then my analog Hall value, and then my other temperature. Sorry about that. Other temperature sensor. Then I have my magnetic Hall sensor, and then my accelerometer and gyroscope data. And then just a separator, which is binary code for the temperature and humidity data as a backup. So if you want to look at this closer, and let's just go to most recent. Okay, so here it is updating live time. Now the temperature here is wrong. Just kind of ignore that. But anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Before I forget, I will be putting in code and sensors probably within 2 weeks in the description. Thank you.